Diglett, go Jirachi! Jirachi, use tackle!
Oh!
Diglett has fainted, a one-hit KO, because every preschooler has to have a level 100 Jirachi.
Oh, so what?
Good job, Jirachi. But it looks like we'll have to try again sometime later.
Later.
Diglett again! Go, Link Kagamine! Link Kagamine, use Servant of Evil!
Link Kagamine has sacrificed himself for Caleb. Caleb is out of usable Pokemon. Caleb blacked out. Later. Caleb used lasso.
What?
You're coming with me.
What? You're coming with me!